Hi, my name is Ivan Then. I'm here at Bronx Honda. I'm going to be going over the 2020 Honda Civic EX. First, I want to start off with the 17-inch alloy wheels come standard. Here we have the LED daytime running lights, and we have the fog lamps as well. In the middle of the windshield, we have the lane departure warning system, which is actually one of the 5 safety features that come with the vehicle. The lane departure warning system actually prompts you when you're getting out of the lane. Also, a part of the Honda Civic EX, you also get the blind spot camera. Whenever you're changing lanes to the right, you get a real-time view of your whole blind spot on the right side. The inside of the vehicle is loaded with features. You get the heated seats, you get the sunroof. You also get the push to start button. You have remote start. You can start the vehicle from outside with your key fob. And you also have the touchscreen dash. With the 7-inch touchscreen, you also have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. While your phone is connected, you can use many apps such as Google Maps and Waze, and even your music apps like Apple Music, or you can even use Siri to send a text message or make a phone call. If you want to find out more information about the 2020 Honda Civic EX, please come visit us at Bronx Honda, 2541 East Tremont Avenue.